Got a 2021 Chevy Colorado, and today I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter. It's a really easy job. You don't need any tools for it. This cabin air filter has been in this vehicle for about 30,000 miles, and it's definitely time to do it. So to access the filter, you just undo the glove box, slide it down, and there's two tabs that for the side, two rails. And so to remove those two rails from their slots, I just press in and then slide it down. So here are the two tabs, plastic tabs, and there's rails on the side. So that gives you access to the cabin air filter housing, which is back here. And I just press in the two tabs, that door, and slide it off. Here are the two tabs. This is the cabin air filter. I'm gonna pull that out. It's got arrows pointing down. Let's take a look at it, see what we got here. Oh yeah, there's a lot of dirt in there. Yeah, it's definitely time to replace it. Okay, so I've got the new one. I've got the arrows pointing down, and I just went with the standard air filter. A HEPA filter is available. The HEPA is 99.7% efficient down to 0.3 microns. It's good about removing particulate, but it slows down airflow. And I don't want that, so I'm just using a regular cabin air filter. Just slide into place, the arrows down, the door on. Okay. Now, push the glove box. That's all there is to it.